Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fighter Street Wonder. In this video, we're gonna make a new character, and this one is from the game Tesla Grad, and we will make it with the same character that we make from the Stumble guys. We copy the same character, and now I will start making it. First, I will separate out the parts and align them according to the reference image. We have to separate the parts because it's important, because there is a shirt and shoes and it's shorts with the belt, so I have to make it separate. I separate the objects by selecting the loops and P to separate it, and to make the shorts I will fill them and extrude it like this, or we can insert it just like that and adjust it like that. Now short is looking good, shorts are looking good. We can adjust it from everywhere around. I will select the legs and merge them by the shoes like that. Okay, we have to make the shoes separate piece, but it's important to maintain the shape, so I will make the shape separately by duplicating the mesh and make it like that. We have to give it some thickness, but we have to keep the geometry less and good. Okay, shape we can make it like scaling from front and extruding it right from back. Yes, like this, it is looking good. Now scale and adjust it equally, and now move the legs down for correct shape. Okay, now adjust the short and I will extrude up the belt. I duplicate the face right here and adjust the body, like make it round from the front side and from the back side as well. I will add some loop cuts in the body. This will make the shirt actually, and add some foldings in right above the shorts. Now I will delete the arms and the hands. We will make the arms and hands separately, like increase the shoulders and fill the arms, insert it like this and extrude it and make it a separate object, and add loop cuts to make the hands gloves. We will make the hand equally for now, but when we apply the mirror modifier, we will make the right hand a separate one, because it has a glove hand of the right. To make the hand, I will select this face and extrude it 3 faces from the front and make it like that. Okay, extrude it one more time for better result, and move the hand closer for better result. Hand is looking good. It is very looking good. Now adjust it from the side view as well, and it is looking perfect. This is the best way to make hands like this, and they look good also. Now extrude out the belt from the back, and then I will extrude it right on the shoulders and to the front. I will duplicate this face right here, make the metal piece we have here on the back and increase them to make it hard like this, and I will extrude out the belt in the wireframe. I will select this edge, move it up, extrude it individually, turn off clipping to there, to extrude individually to the both sides, right and left. I will extrude the belt like this. Okay, now this looks good. From the side view, we will adjust it, and remember to keep your mesh clean and simple. It's a quick and easy way to maintain everything and make your shape good. Okay, now we have to set and keep on making the shoulders like this, making the belt above the shoulders right to the front. We have to look from every angle to make that, and adjust it like this, extrude it down to the bottom, and now we have to set it equally like that. Move it back and make it closer to the shirt like this, and now adjust it and move it like it is above the shirt and look good. Okay, Now select the loop from the shirt and fill it or mean crease it and make the collar by extruding it like this. Mean crease and make it sharp from the very end. Move it down like that. Now it is looking good. Extrude out the neck from the head, and in the wireframe keep the geometry inside the head, inside the shirt. Okay, we don't have to worry about the extra mesh because there is no extra mesh inside. Okay, now adjust everything from all sides. I added a button on the very front of the short. Now we have to make the pockets. Duplicate the face, extrude it from the front like this and cover it like that. Extrude it and give it some thickness. Adjust it like that and adjust it from all sides. Move it like that, add a loop cut and mean crease to give it some shape. Now move them close, rotate it, adjust it. Now we're done. Now select the front sides and move them inwards like that. Now it is looking good, perfect, save your work. Now we will move on to the head. To make the head, I will first set the shape as it is in the reference image. We can duplicate the reference image, move them to the side view as well. Setting the shape of the face is very important, then we can make it very easily. Just like I made here, I duplicated the face here and I duplicated the reference image. And now select the loop and make the nose shape like that and like this. Add some loop cuts but not too much to make the shape. Now shape is looking good from the front side as well and to the right side. Okay, now we have to make the hair because those are important. We have to make them equal from the right and left side. I will not use the curves because I have to make it with the subdivided cube, and I will duplicate it a couple of times and adjust it like that. Extrude it and look from all sides. Adjust it and extrude it, move it, and we are good to go. Okay, it's a good way to make the hair, but a little bit of long way. We have to adjust the hair from all sides. That's the main thing, and can be a little bit of complicated when we have a lot of amount. Okay, now we are looking good. We have to do the same thing to the other side as well. So duplicate it and mirror it to the other side. And now duplicate some hair and move it to the top and make it like that. Scale it and adjust it from all sides. And remember to give it some randomness by moving them, selecting them right everywhere. We placed it. Okay, now duplicate the couple of strands and place them wherever you want and fill the top like this, and don't make a mess. Make hair less and enough to cover the whole hair, cover the whole head. Okay, now select the loops and adjust them, place them correctly and place them where they looks good. Okay, hair are looking good. Okay, for the back of the head I will use this faces from the head, but first duplicate the loops and make two hair on the top like this and make it like that. Alt S to scale it and make it thick, and place it correctly like that. And now set everything and place near the head. For the back head, I duplicate some faces from the head and make it thick like this. We have to convert it inside the head and then extrude it outwards. We have to adjust it from all over the head and extrude it and move them just a little on the outside. Extrude it and make it like this. This will give a very nice result. And for the eyes, I duplicated the face and convert them like this, and add a loop cut in the middle. And for the eyebrows, I will duplicate the eyes as well and rotate it above the eye. Placing the eye is very important, as well as the maintaining the whole shape of the face. Okay, our model looks like we are about to complete it. Okay, now everything is looking good. Adjust the mesh where there's a problem. We have to keep the nose simple and small, like this. For the eyebrows, I duplicate the eyes and move them above the eyes, rotate them, scale them, move them back like this. Okay. For the ears, I duplicated the face and make it rotate like that, extrude it and make it next to the head. Rotate it and extrude, insert the upper face and move it inwards. Increase just a little for better result, and adjust where they look good and save your work. Okay, everything seem to be done. Only the right hand we need to change and add a glove and make it a little bigger like this. We have to make it as a glove by making a face and duplicating it, extrude it, and like that. Just like this. Move the hand up or move the arm a little lower. Okay, arm is looking good. Scale it and convert it to circle and save your work again. Now we have a right hand and the left hand separate pieces. We can add details to it, but do that if necessary. Otherwise, don't do that. Okay. It is a very simple character, but we made it in a very professionally and a good way, and it looked good also. Okay, looks like our character is done. Only we have to color it with a simple image texture I will use. Okay, I will select all and UV it and select one by one everything and color them with some colors where they look good and the color there is in the picture. Use dull and dark colors for this because it is a character in the dark and it also gives a nice effect. Color everything and save your work. Select those parts and color them individually like this. And now for the hair, I will use a black color and give it some shine by duplicating the material. Okay guys, in the last of the video there is the final result. I'll see you guys in the next video with some new character and stuff like that, and in the next video we will rig it and make a complete scene of it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.